Hello, you are most welcome to the Il Mondo with Shan. Just to tell a bit about this channel, we mainly talk about basic fundamentals and steps how to learn an Italian faster and easier. Hope you will happy to join with us. Let's grow together. Since you are here, please like and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to click the notification bell. You will receive notification as soon as we upload new videos. Lesson 46. Important words day-to-day life.
Lezione 46. Parole importanti vita quotidiana.
Today I'm going to talk about useful words that will help you to wish friends on different occasions with basic examples. Okay, follow me, let's move to the lesson. How do you say good morning?
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
How do you say good afternoon? We can tell.
Buon pomeriggio.
Now let's learn about how to say good evening in Italian. Repeat with me.
Buonasera. Buonasera.
Okay, also very important to know your last wish the night before we go to sleep or after leaving friends at end of the party. How to wish them good night. Let's see how to say good night in Italian. Okay, also
Buonanotte. Buonanotte.
now let's talk about another very important area. How to wish and congratulate your friends or relations about special occasions such as Easter holiday, Christmas, New Year, birthday, when someone gets married, when you go on a vacation trip, when born new baby. Please repeat with me, so that you can pronounce the word correctly. Happy Easter.
Buona Pasqua.
Happy Easter.
Buona Pasqua.
Merry Christmas.
Buon Natale.
Merry Christmas.
Buon Natale.
Merry Christmas to you.
Buon Natale a te.
Merry Christmas to you.
Buon Natale a te.
Merry Christmas to you all.
Buon Natale a tutti voi. Buon Natale a tutti voi.
Happy New Year.
Felice anno nuovo.
Happy New Year.
Felice anno nuovo.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Buon Natale e un felice anno nuovo.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Buon Natale e un felice anno nuovo.
Happy birthday.
Buon compleanno.
Happy birthday.
Buon compleanno.
Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet with a new video very soon. Leave us a comment below, and hit the notification bell. You will be notified as soon as we upload a new video.